Okay, just text me and let me know because it's very old and the officer, may not be able to go.
Said who?
Petty.
That would Petty's Danielle Petty's. It's a
Oh,
OWI.
no, there's an actual file.
Okay, I'll come and get it. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm doing okay. How are you? All right, I've got us live, so now I can come out here. And let's see if Terrell is here. Who's our house counsel today?
Tessa Marion and Johnson.
Good morning. I have Liana Tullis when you're ready, Madam Clerk.
Yes, good
Thank
morning.
you. Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I'm great. Thanks for calling. Ticket number SP 18655852, City versus Liana Tullis. Ms. Tullis, please state your name for the record.
Liana Tullis.
Thank you. Your sole charge is for insurance. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid insurance documents and made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I am granting. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you, and have a great day also. Thank you.
Good morning, Investigator Hoskins.
Good morning.
I'll go ahead and get you into room 1. Which case are you here on today?
Jacqueline Phillips.
Thank you. Okay, I'll put you in room 1 to see City Attorney.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Let's see. Did we get offers today?
I know she's in. Yeah, she's.
Why'd she skip room 5? We have Tessa Miriam and who? Tessa Miriam and who?
Rodney Johnson.
Oh, Rodney. He's already in room 9. Okay, I'm sorry. Mr. Terhune,
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't mean to pull you out. Do you have registration and insurance today?
I do have it, but for some reason I cannot upload it to the chat or to the little
I can
break.
enable sharing if you think you can do it that way.
And another question I did want to ask if that's fine. I'm so sorry if I'm overstepping now.
It's okay. Hold on just 1 second, okay? Ms. Parks, Paula Parks, I've taken number SP 174-71232, City versus Paula Parks. Ms. Parks, please state your name for the record.
Paula Parks.
Thank you. You have a number of tickets here for license, registration, and insurance. That's all I see. But I'm told you're requesting assigned counsel. Is that correct?
Well, that's what the lady just advised me.
Did she inform you of the offer in your case?
I'm really not like familiar with how this goes. If I'm being honest, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna bring her out so that we can get an understanding of this. It would just be strange for me to see a case where somebody just has these kind of tickets and we're appointing counsel. Would you mind running an SOS on Ms. Parks for me? I'm very confused. Just give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have proof of registration and insurance today?
Yes, for the car that was registered in my name at
Uh-huh.
the time of ticket. Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay. Attorney Tesfa Miriam, good morning.
Um, Good morning, Your Honor.
I have Ms. Parks here and she said you advised her to request assigned counsel, which is fine if that's what you both think is best. But the only tickets she has is for driver's license, registration, and insurance, which are all valid at this time.
Well, she indicates to me that there's a specific number of tickets that are not hers. They were titled in another person's name and registered in another person's name. So they're not hers.
Gotcha.
They're
You
not
think,
hers.
okay,
So,
such that there may
yeah.
be an identity issue here. Okay, thank you. Now we're clear. Thank you.
Well, it seems to be a transfer of title issues here. That's what is a transfer of title issue after the fact. So
Gotcha.
seems like the police sent it to the wrong individual and defendant. Mhm.
All right. Would you please discuss that with Ms. Horn, given the validity of all of these documentations? It may be that Ms. Parks doesn't need to draw this out. Ms. Horn may be inclined to a dismissal given the valid documents. Because Ms. Parks is confused about why she's getting assigned counsel. So, I mean, if you would just attempt it with Ms. Horn, if she needs it, then fine, but.
Okay, I'll speak with Ms. Horn.
Okay, all right, Ms. Parks, I'm gonna send you back to room 3. And then I'll move you back to 4.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Go ahead and accept the invitation, please.
Let's see, where's Ms. Horn? She's not available yet.
And she was here, she may have stepped away, but she'll be back.
Okay.
And then Mr. Terhune, I can enable screen sharing for you. That's the only other thing I know to try to do.
Well, we can do the screen sharing. Give me 1 second. Let me get that pulled.
Okay. Ms. Trammell, good morning. Did someone send you back out?
Yes.
Okay, what did they tell you when they sent you out?
She told me she was going to try to get a plea deal.
Okay, but why are you back out? Because she would need to come back and talk to you about whether or not she got a plea deal.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I clicked on her name by mistake. I'm trying to get in the room with her and I must have pulled her out by mistake. Forgive me.
They're asking for an SOS on room 9 when you have a moment.
Yeah.
Ms. Trammell, where were you?
It was like a break room.
Do you know which number? That's what I'm trying to understand.
Room 6, Your Honor.
Okay, so I can move her. I can't move her back to 6, but I can move her to. I'm gonna have to move you twice, Ms. Trammell. I'm gonna move you to 3, then back to 6. Go ahead and hit
Okay.
join, please.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
I got a quick question. So the registration and insurance that I have now is not the same as the registration and insurance that I had on the previous the vehicle that I got the tickets in.
If you have valid registration and insurance in your name now, that's what we need.
Okay. Now if I'm driving another vehicle and
Mr. Terhune, let me tell you something.
yeah,
I'm not your attorney. I'm the judge.
got you.
So
But
I had a real simple question for you, which is, do you have valid registration insurance? Because if so, and you can send me proof of it, your tickets will be dismissed. But if you have a lot of other discussion that you need to have, that needs to be had with your attorney.
Okay, well,
Because
I did have one question. It's very simple point of clarity here. I just asked you a simple question and just like because the car is
now you're bordering on disrespect. And the reason that I've asked you to speak to your attorney is for your own benefit. Because if you cross a line and in asking me what you think is your very simple question,
yeah,
and you tell me something that they might not want me to hear, then
Yes.
this is not going to go the way that you want it to go today. So
Well, I
I
don't.
asked you, no, stop. Because I'm the one that gets to ask the questions. And
Gotcha.
my question was, do you have valid registration? Do you have valid insurance? It's not a test. There's no wrong answer. It's just yes or no. If the
And
answer is, then I need you to somehow send me proof of it. And then we're good. If not, if the answer is no, that's fine. Or if it's that I can't get it to you today, I need to come back in a week or two, that's fine too. But you're bordering on talking about facts of your case, which you cannot do with me. So the
well,
only thing I need to know
so
is,
so I can't
do you
ask. Yes, I do
valid?
have. Yes, I do have valid.
Okay. Now let's
Yes.
talk about how you show that to me. Since you have it, let's
Okay.
talk about the best way for you to let me see it. You can turn on your video if it's something you think you can hold up to the screen. You can screen share it. You can chat it. All of those
Okay.
different things.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the last part.
We can do it any of those different ways. I just need to be able to see proof of it. And if you don't feel like you can get that to me today, if you need to come back a different day, that's okay too.
Well, I can't get it. I could get you the insurance right now for sure.
Okay, great.
All right. So how do we do the screen sharing thing? Can
So I can't tell you how to screen share on your device.
Gotcha.
Give me just a minute. I've got some folks I got to let in and get situated here. Madam Clerk will send you an email, Mr. Terhune, and if you can send it back that way through email, that's fine too. All
Okay.
right. Okay. For those of you who are just getting here, welcome to traffic court. Most of you have been here before. I'm Judge Ramsey-Heath. You're going to be placed in a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please don't get impatient and hang up from the breakout room. They're coming. They know you're here. Dejanay Tyson, you're going to room 26. Stacy Perkins going to room 27. Please go ahead and hit join. All right, I have a Richard Tyson. Is that your name?
Yes.
Okay, what
Judge,
is?
good morning. That's my client.
Oh,
Do you understand why he has SHAR in front of his name?
Just I would think that that's the share house, correct? Or wrong?
yes.
Thank you. Do you not want him to go to a breakout room?
Oh no, Judge, please put him in the breakout room.
He's going to room 3.
Okay.
I have an unnamed iPhone. I need you to unmute and give me a name or I'll have to remove you from the session. Your device has to be named. What's your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh, see, that just disappeared. I don't know what happened. Officer Nelson, which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. How are you today? I'm here on Patty's, and I already spoke to Miss Horn.
Officer Nelson, I don't know what name you just said, so I don't know who we're.
I'm sorry, Patty's.
Patty's, Patties.
Petties.
Okay. All right, and you were saying you already spoke with city attorney?
Yes, and I have to shoot back to Judge Perkins and to 20.
Let me see if that person is here. And did you extend an, did you discuss an offer with Ms. Horn? Because
yeah, she had some other issues she had to deal with regarding Patty's, but I think we came to some kind of conclusion.
All right. Okay. I will mark that you were here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Some tissue.
Okay. Can we pull the file for Dion Parker? Attorney Jadala, good morning. Are you ready on your matter as well?
Yes, Your Honor. Just wanted to inquire if a officer or trooper Michael Mackey has appeared.
Not that I know of. What time was your client scheduled for?
8:30, Your Honor.
Okay. And was this scheduled for trial or formal hearing?
Yes, Your Honor. Formal hearing.
Okay. I have not had that officer appear. So
I am
we'll go
ready to
ahead and
proceed, Your Honor.
yeah, okay, thank you. When you're ready on Pichardo. After 9. Calling ticket number P1873736, City versus Ray Pichardo, counsel.
Your Honor, respectfully, Sam Rajadala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Pichardo.
Thank you. This is scheduled for formal hearing today at 8:30 a.m. I have not heard from the officer. You have a motion?
Your Honor, officer having failed to appear, we respectfully request a dismissal on this matter.
Dismissal without prejudice is granted. Thank you. Have a good day.
You and your staff too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. I have Dion Parker. I have ticket number P1270232, P1456917, and 7469008, and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Dion Parker. Mr. Parker. Mr. Parker.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Now is the time for you to do more than listen. I need you to stop folding your laundry. We're taking your plea. Thank you. I understand you're going to be in, please state your name for the record.
Dion Parker.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be entering a no contest plea to the charge of disorderly conduct. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And did anyone promise you anything that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
And they are dismissing the other matters pursuant to this plea. Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
No.
I'm so sorry. Thank you. You are pleading no contest. Thank you for catching that. Do you understand that a no contest plea would have the same effect as a guilty plea in terms of fines and fees and costs that you are ordered to pay?
Yes.
Thank you. And we're going to use the face of the ticket to establish the disorderly conduct, which simply states that on June 4th of 2023 at Beaubien and Monroe, that you were engaged in disorderly conduct. I will accept that as the factual basis. I do have to have a reason for accepting a no contest plea. Is it lack of memory in this case?
No, honestly, it was like a police assault type of thing. I wasn't guilty at all, nor did I do anything disorderly conduct. I was assaulted. So I started to do a lawsuit with it, but I just don't want to go through the whole process with that again. I just want to get it out the way.
Okay, so there are a couple different reasons. It sounds like that could be then a civil liability concern if there were civil lawsuits going on, and so there could be a consideration for civil liability. I will accept the no contest plea on that basis if you are asking me to, because you do have the right to a trial.
Yes.
And all of the rights that would go along with a trial, including to be considered innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But you wish for me to accept a no contest plea on your behalf?
Yes.
Okay, then I will do so based upon the ticket in front of me. All right. All right, the fine here is $190. I am giving you 60 days. Within the 60 days, you can get it paid off in full. No sooner than tomorrow. Please give us a chance to get it updated in the system.
Okay.
But you can pay it off in 60 days, or you can see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse here for a longer term payment plan. If you need one, you just have to give them the down payment within the next 60 days, and then you're good, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
All right, thank you. You too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
What's your next date? Because Mr. Tyson, I got to get to discovery.
I'm sorry?
What's your next date? I got to get the discovery on Richard Tyson.
April 14th is my next pretrial date. Have you requested discovery yet?
No, I haven't, so I need a little later.
April 21st.
Okay, that's fine.
Request it today?
Yes, April 21st.
Better push out to the 22nd, April 22nd at 9:30.
9:30. You said that pre-trial or bench trial?
I'm sorry, pre-trial, 9:15.
Okay, Judge, I'm gonna let him go.
Thank you. All right, one moment, guys. I'm just letting some folks in. Good morning. Good morning, Attorney Ragnan. Do you have any cases except for Ms. Terrell? Oh, you're muted. Mr. Ragnan, you're muted. Can I have that?
Your Honor, I do not have any other cases, but that.
Okay. Okay, city attorney has informed me that the officer has no recollection. I'm gonna call it if you want to make your motion.
Yes, please.
Thank you. Ms. Terrell just entered as well. Calling ticket number P1829339, City versus Glenys Terrell. One count of interference with a city employee in performance of their duties. Attorney Ragnan, your appearance, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of the defendant, Glenys Terrell. Ms. Terrell, would you please state your name for the record?
Glenys Terrell.
Thank you. All right, as stated, city attorney was here previously, indicated that the officer had no recollection of these events. Mr. Ragnan, did you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. As a result of the officer not appearing, I'd like to move to have this matter dismissed, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. The officer did appear. He simply stated he had no recollection. The difference being that'll be a dismissal with prejudice rather than without, okay? So ticket is now dismissed with prejudice based upon the officer's inability to recall. Both of you have a great day.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Great seeing you,
Thanks.
Madam Clerk
You too.
and Officer. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. I have an unnamed iPhone. You're not muted. Yep. Can you tell me your name, please?
Good morning. I'm sorry. My name is Eddie Proctor.
Why did I see this name already this morning?
Okay. It died, Your Honor.
Yeah. Okay, very good. You're both here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. And do we need to do anything with Mr. Proctor now, Attorney Harris? Did you want to go on the record?
Yeah, I want to go on the record. I did talk to him. I explained to him what the deal was, and he wants to accept that at this time, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Calling ticket number X4658493, City versus Eddie Proctor. Counsel?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. And for the record, from the law firm of Michael J. Smith and Associates, Jamal Harris, P63835. Today was the date and time, I believe, set for a formal hearing. I did get a chance to talk to the city attorney. They did make an offer of allowing. In accepting that offer, they're willing to dismiss the no ops.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Proctor, state your name for the record.
Eddie Proctor.
Thank you. Is what your attorney just said consistent with your understanding?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth. Need you to swear to tell the truth. Thank you. Sir, is it true that on February 24th of 2026 in the area of Outer Drive and Fort Street that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, get it paid in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain in place. Don't try to pay anything before tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, Attorney Harris.
Okay, have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye-bye. Yeah, the clinics. Okay, Attorney Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Madam Clerk just answered my question. I had a in-person request, so just needed to make sure the date was fine.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Have you gotten anything from Mr. Turner?
Not yet. I was trying to see if you put the dot between my first and last name. He said it was sent, but I haven't.
Is Sandra Todd scheduled for trial today? Or is she requesting a bench trial? Okay, so we'll go ahead and get her
No, she's a pretrial.
pre-trial. We'll get her trial date. Mr. Patino, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney before I hear your case. There is a wait. Please just be patient. Use the time to gather items if you need to, like registration, insurance, etc. You're going to room 26. Please hit join. And then Ms. Todd, good morning to you. Go ahead and unmute for me, please. Calling ticket P1869844, City versus Sandra Todd. Ms. Todd, good morning. Can you unmute?
Okay, I'm sorry. Good morning. How are you?
Great, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you.
All right, you have a sole charge of disregarding an officer's signal. I understand you'd like to set this matter for a bench trial.
All right.
Okay. Okay, so the date for that is going to be April 21st at 9:30 a.m., okay? Just log back in. The officer will be subpoenaed to appear on that day.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Officer Cox, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, ma'am. It's going to be on Taylor.
Can you give me a first initial, please?
It's going to be D.
Thank you. I'm going to put you in breakout room number 1 to meet with the city attorney.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go ahead and join, please. And do I have the Diamond? Yep. Diamond Trammell, good morning. Go ahead and unmute. Please turn on your camera. We'll get your case done.
Good morning.
Again. All right. Calling ticket number P1792874, P1792878, and 731136, and any other related matters on today's docket to City versus Diamond Trammell. Ms. Trammell, please state your name for the record.
Diamond Trammell.
Thank you. It appears you'll be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 1 count of improper plates, and you're going to have some other matters being dismissed. Hold on just a second. Okay, that's what it is. All right. They've made a motion to take your defaulted tickets out. All right. Okay, and then your other matters will be dismissed. All of that clear?
Yes.
All right. Anyone promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will
Correct.
not be a
Correct.
raise and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Ma'am, is it true that on September 11th of 2025 in the area of Puritan and Coyle that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Correct.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. On your failure to display, the fine there is $190. On the improper plates, I can reduce it to $100 since it's on the same ticket, giving you a total of $290. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of 2 things. Within the 60 days, you can get the tickets paid off in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse, okay? And get on a longer term payment plan with them if you need one. Just give them the down payment before the 60 days runs out and your deal can remain in place, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. How we doing on Mr. Terhune?
Still nothing, I just sent him, the chat asking for his email, so that I can email.
Okay. Mr. Terhune, clerk has sent you a chat asking for your email so she can send you one, make sure you can have the right address. Okay, great. All right, Dejanay Tyson, good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number P17111765, City versus Dejanay Tyson. I just have one count of driving while license suspended. State your name for the record, please, Ms. Tyson.
Dejanay Tyson.
Thank you. Defense counsel has, did we run an SOS on Ms. Tyson?
It's just in the file.
It's already in there. Okay, very good. We have run the SOS. Thank you, with Secretary of State, to verify the validity of your license. We have done so at this time, and council has made a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I am happy to grant. All right, your ticket is dismissed. Good job getting that done.
Thank you so much. It feels good.
You are welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thank you. You said you did get Mr. Terhune's.
No, we were, I'm not sure if you checked in, it was Terry on Thompson. What are the laws? Yes, you.
Mr. Perez, good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
It looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to drag racing with a dismissal of the driver's license issue. Did anyone discuss the number of points that drag racing is with you?
No, nobody did so far. I mean, yeah, I think it was like 3 points or something like that, but I'm not sure.
It's 4 points. And so, just give me a minute.
I'm sorry, can I say something?
You can.
Yes, I'm just really trying to fix my status in order to be able to drive again.
Right.
I'm not driving at all for the minute until I fix everything.
Okay, Mr. Perez, that's why I understand you're in a hurry to do that. I'm just concerned that a 4-point offense today might not help you do that. So give me a minute. I don't really understand this. Hold on. I have a ticket, a copy of Mr. Yeah, there we go. Perez, thank you. right. Okay, I'm reviewing the ticket. So it is a reduction because you were charged with reckless, which is 6 points. So you are getting 2 less points. So there is a benefit to the plea for you. I'll go ahead and call the matter if you're ready.
Yes.
Calling ticket number P1867620, City versus Carlos Perez. Mr. Perez, please state your name for the record.
Carlos Omar Pagan Perez.
Thank you. As just stated, they're going to reduce the reckless driving to drag racing, saving you 2 points on that ticket. And then they are going to dismiss the driving while license suspended as a result of the plea. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth. You can put your hand down. I just need you to swear to tell the truth, please.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on February 15th of 2026 in the area of Plymouth and Weaver, you engaged in drag racing or reckless driving, which is being reduced to drag racing?
Yes.
All right, thank you. It's accepted. Fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment.
Okay.
As long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days, your deal will remain intact, okay?
Okay.
Be advised, there is a maximum number of points you can get on your license. And so I don't know if you're working through other jurisdictions as well, but you want to kind of keep that in mind, okay?
Yes.
All right, have a good day.
You too, ma'am. Your Honor. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We've got all these folks in the breakout rooms again.
Good morning.
Good morning. Which case to our interpreter? Which case are you here on today, please?
The name is Jose Armando Patino Vital.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Patino is here. Can I have the Lee Powell's file when you have a moment, please? Thank you. Mr. Patino is in room 26. You have co-host. You are welcome to go there to meet with him. He's set for trial, so there will be a little bit of a wait. Officer Daoud, good morning. Going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1.
Good morning, Your Honors. Good seeing you.
Good to see you too. Officer Franco, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, ma'am. Miss Patino. I mean, Mr. Patino, I'm sorry. Fucking what? No, just of course.
All right, Officer Franco, I'm going to send you to room 1 to meet with the city attorney about the matter.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tyriana Thompson, good morning. Have you been in a breakout room yet this morning?
Good morning. No, I haven't.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and get you into one now. Please hit join. You're going to be waiting to speak with an attorney, and there is a wait. I apologize. Nothing I can do about it this morning.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm just... Okay. Okay, thanks. I'm going to keep you out here for just a moment. I was just told you're scheduled for 1:30, so give me just a minute.
Okay.
All right. Lee Powell's, good morning. Calling ticket number P1871511.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good morning. City versus Lee Powell's. I've got 1 count of no insurance, 1 count of driving while license suspended. State your name for the record, please.
Lee Powell's.
Thank you, Mr. Powell's. We have verified the validity of your license with the Secretary of State this morning. Defense counsel has also reviewed your valid insurance documents and on that basis asked me to dismiss both of your tickets. I'm going to go ahead and grant the dismissal at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Your Honor, excuse me. I don't know how to be a co-host, could you transfer me to
I will
the?
move you to room 26 to meet with
Thank,
the, where defendant is.
thank you, Your
And
Honor.
then you can let defendant know what you guys are doing is waiting for, defense counsel to come and for the city attorney to come back, as well. All right, so I'm
Okay,
gonna send
I will.
6.
Thank you.
Go ahead and hit join.
Thank you.
All right, on Tyriana Thompson.
Her license is suspended, and then she has unregistered type of vehicle and unregistered.
Okay, Ms. Thompson, because you're on the 1:30 docket, all you were gonna do is get a date to come back. So, and that's so you have time to hopefully get all your stuff in order. Ms. Thompson, unmute, please.
Okay, so
Thank
you
you.
want me to come back at
Yep, you're gonna
1:30?
come back. Anything you can do in terms before your date, before you come back, like registration, insurance, you know, driver's license, if you can have any of those things when you come back the next time, that'll be even better for you. I'm gonna have you come back April 14th at 8:35 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Sergeant Carrion, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Sergeant Carrion, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
She's not connected.
Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
2 things. Could you check out room 12, please? They're saying that case is 10 years old. They're requesting a dismissal. And then on room 4, I know Attorney Tessa Miriam wanted to talk to you. Everything this defendant has, Ms. Parks, is valid. She has old tickets for registration, insurance, and license. Everything she has for the time that she had the vehicle was valid. There's an issue because something about the title didn't get transferred soon enough when she sold the vehicle.
Okay, and it is Paula Parks.
Yeah, Ms. Parks in room 4.
Okay, I can. Yeah, if you could give me co-host, I can't tell who's in the rooms.
Yeah, I'm mentioning
Yep.
it because I know I've heard this before, so I think she was here before.
Okay.
So you have co-host now. So yeah, room 4, and then if you could check room 12 and see if you're willing to do anything there. That way I'll get her out of here.
Let's see, room 12.
I don't even know what the ticket is, so no pressure from me.
Yeah, it says it's a OWI, last name Palmer. I don't see that OWI set for trial though today. I'll check. I'll take a look. Let me go in room 4. I'm gonna bring that file back, Madam Clerk. Okay. Paula Parks recessing. I'll go in room 2 for now. And
Yeah,
I'll be
like
right back.
checked all her stuff. It's all valid at this time. So
Okay, thank you, Judge. And that's for Miss Parks.
yeah, Paula Parks in room 4.
Okay, there you go, Judge. I renamed her room.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we'll take the Paula Parks file.
I did get Mr. Turco's, but I can't print it.
Okay.
I sent you the email.
That's fine. Thank you. Mr. Terhune will be with you in just a moment.
Okay, Judge.
Good morning to you. City Attorney is going to go ahead and dismiss your matters, Ms. Parks. So calling ticket number P1747123 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Paula Parks. Ms. Parks, please go ahead and state your name for the record.
Paula Parks.
Thank you. We have confirmed that all of your documents at this time are valid, including your driver's license. We've heard your explanation and that from counsel as to the mistake due to delayed transfer of the title with your vehicle. On that basis, City Attorney has moved to dismiss your matters. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss them at this time.
Thank you so much.
Okay. All right. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So excited I didn't have to cover another court.
Oh, really?
I thought I had to cover Williams, but my colleague had already picked it up.
Oh, that's really nice.
Stuck with my 2.
Okay. Oh, you were doing 3.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I went in there and she said, Kimmy's already been in here. I said, oh.
All right, do you have the Terhune file?
Oh, go ahead.
Oh.
I don't think I ever had it in my hand. Thank you.
It's not.
I just gonna have to know.
Phone number ending in 7414. What is your name, please?
Anthony Powell, Powell. Good
Thank
morning.
you. Good morning to you. How are you, sir?
Oh, I've been trying to get in this court. I'm trying to get this matter taken care of. Man,
It's okay.
I'm so lost.
It's all right. I'm going to put you, okay, so listen, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. When I put you in that breakout room, it's going to be quiet in there.
Yes,
because
ma'am.
you're going to be waiting for an attorney to come in. It doesn't mean you're in the wrong place, okay? It's just going to be quiet because it's just you sitting by yourself till the attorney comes. But they're coming.
Yes, ma'am.
So go, all right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Terhune. Calling
Yes.
ticket number P85499, City versus Darren Terhune. Oh, Mr. Terhune, you've got a ticket for passing on the left as well. Is this one already in default, Madam Clerk? We need to check. Let me take a look at this, see if there's something to be done. Oh, all right. So that one's already, you just owe money on that one. Okay, we don't have to worry about that. All right. Mr. Terhune, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Darren Terhune.
Thank you. So
Yes.
you have two tickets in front of me today that are open. One is for registration, one is for insurance. We have reviewed your valid documents and we're dismissing both of those tickets on that basis.
All right, thank you.
So then you know you had one other ticket that you got that same day for passing on the left. That's a civil infraction, and because it's from 2022, I can't reopen it. But you just have to pay the fine on that one. It looks like you owe $162 on that one, so just
What?
get it paid.
Okay, hold on. I just paid 2 tickets. They told me that I went down, but when I scheduled this court date, they told me that I had 4 tickets in total. I paid
Oh,
for
you know
2.
what? Hold on, because this plea form is from August 4th, where they're saying you still owe 162. Is he? It's paid now? Okay, yep, they're verifying that you did pay it all, okay?
Okie doke.
All right, have a great day.
All right, so I'm all set, correct?
We're all set.
Thank you so much, Judge. Have a great one.
You are very welcome.
Sorry I got on your nerve earlier.
You did not get on my nerves. It's just I'm careful about people. I don't want to hear something that you don't want me to hear. So I try to be mindful of that. That's all. And sometimes when I'm trying to say don't, I'm doing it urgently, and so it sounds like I'm upset, but I wasn't.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
All right, you too.
All right, Sergeant Carey, in which case are you here on, please? Can you unmute?
Yep, Sergeant Carey on Detroit Police. I'm here for Petty's, the OWI bench trial.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. All right, I'll go ahead and get you into room 1 for city attorney.
All right, thank you.
And then I have Devon Phillips. Good morning, Mr. Phillips.
Good morning.
All right. Did we run an SOS on Mr. Phillips? Would you please run it? One moment, Mr. Phillips. This is the ticket. That's the only ticket I see. That's why I'm curious as to what we're doing.
I know. I said we can set it. We can set it. It probably is gonna go down in flames.
Okay.
Yes, probably.
Okay, Mr. Phillips, calling ticket number P1852605, City versus Devon Phillips White. Would you please state your name for the record?
Phillips.
Thank you. Your sole charge here is failure to display a valid license, which is the same thing that you're pleading to as charged. But because your license is currently suspended, there is a benefit in the plea. If it was suspended at the time, it just means they cut you a break when they wrote the ticket versus at court. Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No,
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
yes,
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
yes,
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Just need an answer, please. I just need you to swear to tell the truth, Mr. Phillips.
that's true, no true.
Thank you. All right. Sir, is it true that on February 14th of 2026 in the area of Wyoming and Chicago, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yeah.
Your fine is $190. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, you may pay the fine in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and start on a payment plan with them by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, everything will remain in place, okay? All right, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Let's see what Anthony Powell has. That's, oh, nope, can't deal with that. Let me see, city attorney. Hey, Ms. Horn, sorry. I had a question about whether or not you know if there's an offer in Patino, just because we have an interpreter here.
Okay, let's
Scheduled
take a
for
look.
trial in room 26. We have an interpreter present, so if there's an offer that council needs to convey, I'd like to get it so they can, because I know you have an officer here on this one too.
Oh, Franco. Okay, so yes, it would be a 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay. He paid what? Okay, he paid his tenant, Madam Clerk tells me he paid his tenant window ticket, and the offer is to a 3-month delay or 6, I'm sorry, what'd you say?
3, Runner.
Okay. Okay.
And I'll go
Thank you.
talk to the officers too. Some I missed.
Okay. All right, who's on our evens? That's Testamarian. Okay, let's go to, what's Michelle Thompson here for? Oh, expired. Okay, she's got her offer.
Stacey Perkins, when I looked her up, She's in the waiting room. She was scheduled for trial yesterday.
I knew that name from yesterday. Good morning, Corporal Rule.
Good morning. I almost forgot about you. I had all subs ready to go. I forgot to hit send. Sorry about that. Apologies.
Are you talking to me, Corporal Rule?
Yes, I am talking to you.
Okay, what are you sending me?
Did you hear me?
Ms. Perkins? Okay, Corporal Rule, it looks like you named your device already. See Peoples, is that for today?
Yes.
Thank you for doing that. So I wasn't sure what you were saying you were sending to me.
No, I had it all set up, ready to go, and I lost track of time, and I have other courtrooms. I apologize.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, well, I'm gonna put you in room 1. City attorney is here, and they're talking to officers now.
Thank you.
Okay. Stacy Perkins, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am. I had got disconnected.
So we had a Stacy Perkins that was scheduled for trial yesterday.
Yes, I guess I thought you said the 31st, but you said the 30th. And the guy, he let me get in anyway. He's like, just call the number to speak to the judge. So I just tapped in.
All right. Yeah, we'll remove the warrants and we'll give you a date to come back, but you're going to need to be careful about recording the dates because officers are being subpoenaed. They're here for your trial when we set a trial. Okay. So it's not a nothing, they're taking their time away from other things that they're supposed to be doing. All right. All right, let's get a new trial date from Ms. Perkins. Can I set her for April 14th, Madam Clerk, since everything should already be in? I just don't want to push out too far. Tell me when. April the 20th?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll reset it for April 20th at 9:30 a.m. Ms. Perkins, you're expected to be here April the 20th at 9:30 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. And I will be there on time. I'm writing it down as we speak.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll let you deal with that. I'm going to call Sherry Trotter. Somehow this got out of Mr. Phillips' file. Go back. All right, I have ticket number SP186-08871 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Sherry Trotter. Ms. Trotter, please state your name for the record.
Sherry Trotter.
Thank you. You have a number of tickets here that are related to your driver's license, registration, and insurance. Those tickets are being dismissed on your attorney's motion, having reviewed the valid documents. You do have one other ticket that is for failure to signal when leaving a curb. They are offering to reduce that one. It's a civil infraction to blockading traffic, which is 0 points and does not report to your insurance. Do you have the Sherry Trotter file? Thank you. The fine is $175. I'm told you wish to avail yourself of that offer.
Yes.
All right. Then you are admitting, please raise your right hand, swear firm you're going to tell me the truth.
I swear to tell the truth.
Thank you. Then you are admitting to blockading traffic on February 2nd, 2026 in the area of Greenfield in Chicago. Is that correct?
Correct.
Thank you. Okay, as I said, the fine is $175. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, get it paid in full or see the cashiers on the first floor to get on a longer term payment plan if you need one. As long as you give them the down payment for the payment plan within the next 60 days, everything will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye-bye. And then I need Eric Tyler's file, please. Mhm. Thank you. All right, Mr. Tyler, good morning to you. Go ahead and unmute, please. Looking for, you know what time, Mr. Tyler?
Can you hear me? Good morning.
How are you,
Yes.
Mr. Tyler?
Am
Mr.
I
Tyler, please
unmuted?
yes, please state your name for the record, Mr. Tyler.
Eric Tyler.
All right, I'm going to turn your video off and hope that it will help with the audio. Calling ticket number P1247184 and all other related matters on today's docket, 2 City versus Eric Tyler. Mr. Tyler, please state your name for the record.
Eric Tyler.
All right. Looks like
Eric
you're going to
Tyler.
be pleading guilty. Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to open alcohol passenger with a 6-month delayed sentence. Also, you're going to plead guilty to 2 counts of improper plates and 1 count of failure to display. Everything else is being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
And I understand that you are asking for credit for time served in lieu of your fines and fees. I will grant that motion. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
All right. Sir, is it true that on May 13th of 2022 in the area of West Davison and Turner in the city of Detroit, you possessed open alcohol in the passenger area of a motor vehicle that was on a public roadway?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, then I have ticket numbers, one moment, please. 641, 642, and 643. All right, sir, is it also true that on May 17th of 2022, in the area of Schoolcraft and Crest, that you operated a vehicle without proper plates?
Yes.
Is it also true that the plates were improper due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
And is it also true that you could not produce a valid driver's license at that time and you were operating a vehicle?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, as to each of these convictions that were just entered, Mr. Tyler, your fine will be replaced by jail time with credit for time served at your request.
Okay.
So on each count, I'm giving you 5 days.
Okay.
Credit time served on all. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Have a great day. Good job getting these all taken care of.
Thank you. You also.
You need to not get any other tickets like this for the
Yes, no,
next
ma'am.
6 months on
No,
that class
ma'am.
open alcohol. And as long as you do that, we'll just pull it up and dismiss it for you in 6 months, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a great day.
You also. Thank you.
Thank you. Attorney Tesfamariam.
Police officer per Nakano, has that officer signed in?
That's an attorney.
Oh, forgive me. Okay. Oh, so this matter is retained. Okay.
Yeah, appointed probably.
Okay.
And I wasn't sure. Your Honor, I just wanted to check to see if Granado checked in at 9 o'clock. I just wondering. I looked at their names and some of them I didn't see when
I'm sorry, who are you asking me about?
Granado Aboit at 9 a.m. I'm not sure if he checked in.
Okay, are you asking about an officer?
Actually the defendants, Granado and Lackey. Just wondering if they checked in.
Rodinato.
At 9.
With an
Oh,
R?
wait a minute. I'm so sorry. Looking at the wrong docket. I'm sorry. Christopher Peoples.
Not that I know of yet. Let's see. I'll just do a quick search of the room. I know you have an officer here on that one. Oh, you have 2 officers here. I don't have Christopher Peoples. Nope.
Okay. And Doshawn Taylor.
I don't have Taylor yet. Madam Clerk is telling me those are both of Pernicano's cases, so she's wondering if maybe he's planning to, I don't know. Give me just a minute.
Fair enough, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ms. Horn, may I speak with you?
Room 4. No, room 2.
Thank you.
And just so you know, as FYI, Attorney Tesfamariam, room 4 was dismissed. Tickets were dismissed.
Oh, that okay. Well, then I still want to speak with you, Ms. Horn. About some other matters. Okay.
Okay.
So Paula Parks was dismissed. Okay, thank you.
All right, Anthony Powell will be with you in just a moment. Nicola Powell, calling ticket number P1201305, City versus Nicola Renee Powell. Ms. Powell, please state your name for the record.
Nicola Powell.
Thank you. Looks like going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of a reduced charge of failure to display a valid license. And then the other matters would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear to tell the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on May 17th of 2021 in the area of Finkel and Ferguson, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to either pay it in full or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days, all of this will remain in place. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Please don't try to make a payment before tomorrow. We need to update the system.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, I have Samantha Peterson when you're ready. Anthony Powell, were you previously in a breakout room?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Do you have an attorney that you've spoken with outside of court?
No, ma'am. I was just supposed to be for my probation hearing. I thought,
Okay, give me just a minute. I'll check the schedule. Edward Thomas, good morning. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can do that. There will be a wait. Go to room 29. They will be coming to you.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, I am admitting an unnamed device. If you have sensitive eyes and ears around, please cover them. Zoom user, I need you to unmute and give me a name, please.
Samantha Peterson.
Not you, Miss Peterson. There's someone whose device just says Zoom user. I need a name immediately or you will be removed from the session. What is your name, sir? All right, let's take care of Miss Peterson.
Doshawn Taylor.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, they were waiting on. Spell your first name.
DOSHAN.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Do you know who that was?
I'm not sure. I forgot. It was yesterday I spoke to the attorney.
Okay, I'm putting you in room 3. Please hit join. Wait for the attorney. I need to figure out who that is.
Colonel Connell, I just sent an email because he didn't answer.
Jeez. Well, this is becoming kind of a regular thing. All right, Tamara Palmer, we're going to set for trial. Would you look up, please, Mr. Powell here and see what he's scheduled for?
So right now, it's for a vendor's license. Driver licenses.
He thought he was here for a probation matter. Ms. Palmer, good morning. Can I have the Tamara Palmer file, please? Oh, got it. Okay, thank you. All right. And then I need that one too. Thank you. Okay. All right, Mr. Powell, we're looking it up. Give us just a minute. In the meantime, Ms. Peterson, calling ticket number P1870218 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Samantha Renee Peterson. Ms. Peterson, just state your name for the record, please.
Samantha Renee Peterson.
Thank you. All right. Looks like defense counsel has reviewed all of your valid documentation. And made a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I'm happy to grant. Your tickets are all being dismissed. Ms. Peterson, have a good day.
Thank you. You have a blessed one.
You do have an old speeding ticket out there from 2021. I don't know if it was paid or not. I can just see that it's written on this ticket.
I did pay all my tickets.
Okay, very good.
The old
you.
ones.
Okay. Okay, great. Have a great day. These are all dismissed. Thank you.
You too. Thank you.
That's what she said. All right, Ms. Palmer, good morning.
Good morning.
Dave asked that we set your case for trial. It's an old case, so we're going to set it for trial. We'll see if the officer shows up and see if they remember anything if they do, okay?
Okay.
But what I do think we'll do, given the nature of it, so we can get discovery requested, is get you an attorney appointed to you.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you come back on April 14th at 9:15, but I need to get some information from you. Would you mind sending her a chat, Madam Clerk, so that we can get her phone number and email address? Thank you.
April 14th.
Yeah, Mr. Powell, I have you on the docket today for violation of vendor rules, driver's license suspended, and the offer they were making you is a 6-month delay on the disobeying vendor rules. So I don't have you on the docket for any kind of probation matter today. I need to get you into a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney about the matters that you are on, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Vendor, I'm sorry, what was the first one?
It's some kind of disobeying vendor rules. Okay, Madam Clerk says she'll pull it up for you.
Yes, ma'am.
So the exact wording is stationary.
Why is she in there and it's it's Attorney Pernicano? Attorney Tessa Miriam, I want to make sure that you knew that Ms. Petties has retained counsel.
I found out, she didn't
So it's
tell
in her,
me.
it's written in her name. So if you look at her name, it's written so that you'll know that she's got retained.
Yeah, I just put that there. I'm the one that put that
Oh, you
there.
put it there. Okay, thank you.
Because there was nothing next to her name. So I talked with her and I looked at the docket and I thought Pernicano was the police officer and I was checking.
Oh, that's when you came out earlier. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to get her moved up so that she can meet with her attorney. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Attorney Perticano, the city attorney was here. She's been here and in and out. And now I don't know. I'll try to tell you what your offers are on your files, which is on Danielle Petty's in room 4. It is OWVI.
Okay.
And you should know that city attorney was asking us about submitting capiases in your matters because neither you or your clients were here or they had not been identified as your client. So
is Miss Pettis here though now? In room 4?
I just moved her to room 4. What I'm telling you is our cutoff when something is scheduled for trial is 10 a.m. And so we hadn't
Understood.
heard from anyone. And so I had a motion to issue capiases. So if you're going to get here after 10 on a trial, please let us know because I don't want to end up, it just so happened that Madam Clerk caught that they were your cases.
Understood, Judge. I'm sorry.
Okay. On Deshaun Taylor, what time is he scheduled for? Let me see if I can see the offer for you.
9:30.
Okay. On Deshaun Taylor, I don't have an offer there, so you are going to need to get to Ms. Horn if that one's not going to, if you want an offer on that one.
Okay. And then the
And
last
let me
one I
give-
had is Peoples.
Peoples we haven't seen yet, but I do
haven't-
have officers here, so if you have contact info, please let them know that they need to get here.
I have not been able to reach Peoples, so the officers can be released.
Okay. All right, so did you get Ms. Palmer's information?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Palmer, we're gonna have you come back on April 14th at 9:15 a.m. I'm appointing counsel so that they can request discovery. Probably if they don't get it requested by the 14th, they're gonna request it then. So you should expect 1 or 2 more court dates, even if it ultimately results in dismissal. We're just in the process right now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, April 14th at 9:15 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. All right. You have co-hosts, so you should be able to get in there to see Ms. Petty's in room 4 as well as Mr. Taylor. And hopefully Ms. Horn will be back
Thank you.
shortly. Mhm. And Officer Franco, I know you're waiting on Patino. We should be ready on that one shortly. Need an SOS on Anthony Powell. Oh, wait, why do I have two Anthony Powells? Ah, that's maybe the confusion. Were you already in a breakout room, Mr. Powell?
No, ma'am. My court time was 10 o'clock. I had just got in. I'm sorry.
Okay, I don't have a 10 a.m. court docket, so this is getting more interesting because maybe you are on a probation matter and it's just not with me.
Oh, am I in the wrong room? I'm supposed to be with Judge Ramsey-Heath.
Are with Judge Ramsey-Heath. What time? You said it was for 10. Well, then I don't have a 10 o'clock docket. Do you have a piece of paper that tells you to be here at 10 a.m.?
I looked it up online.
People are starting to say this more and more. Something's going on with the scheduling.
Can I have your ticket number, sir?
Yes, ma'am. That is. Oh, and it just refreshed. I'm sorry. 1 second. I had it up and it just refreshed. Okay. So. Sorry, I'm pulling it up right now. 0608 1989. Okay. Case number is, and it disappeared. Wow. I got a bunch of case numbers. SP, S as in Sam, P as in Paul, 1032 7671.
That case is closed.
Okay. Well, the one, it was for $409, and that was the one that was scheduled today, but it's not showing up now because I made a payment too. So it's
That may be why we're showing it as closed if you paid it.
okay. But I was supposed to show up with my probation officer. Probation officer is Schiotti. I was supposed to show up and show that I paid the $409 and I scheduled a payment plan.
He's supposed to be in Judge Robbins' courtroom.
440. All right, courtroom 440 is where you're supposed to be. They're doing something weird with the scheduling.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Tickets mixed up. Okay, courtroom 440, Mr. Powell.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
I say have a great day. Bye. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Okay.
All right, we have the Danielle Petty's file. Palmer. Okay, are we ready on Pettis?
Yes.
Calling ticket number Z806553, City versus Danielle Petty's. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Danielle Petties, who appears via Zoom. Ma'am, state your full and complete name for the record, please.
Danielle Denise Petties.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for bench trial. We do have a resolution. My client's going to be tendering a guilty plea to operating while visibly impaired.
Thank you. Ms. Petties, is that consistent with your understanding that you're pleading guilty to the reduced charge of operating while visibly impaired?
Yes.
Thank you. Would you please check the status of these, Madam Clerk? And did anyone promise you anything other than that reduced charge to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone forced, threatened, or coerced you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes. Everything I'm going to tell you is the truth.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on July 4th of 2017, in the area of Linden and Whitcomb, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And had you consumed alcohol or some other substance at that time?
Yes.
And did the consumption of that substance impair your ability to operate a vehicle?
Yes.
Thank you.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. The reason I'm going back and forth is because Ms. Petty's was scheduled for trial today. The notation that Ms. Horn wrote on her breakout room was OWVI, that was the offer, which is fine. But I'm a bit confused because this OWVI is coming from 2017. And I did not see an officer here on that matter. I did see an officer present, however, on 3 other matters. Officer Nelson was present on no insurance, driving while licensed, not valid, or improper plates. So I'm concerned that before we let Ms. Petty's go, you're going to need to check in with Ms. Horn about all of this and make sure that this is in fact the proper offer. At the other matters that Officer Nelson has appeared on, because he's still here, are being dismissed pursuant to this plea. I can't tell.
Understood, Judge. I'll send a note to City Attorney Horn to see if she can join.
Thank you. Ms. Petty's, I'm going to put you back in a breakout room, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to move you to 5, then I'm going to move you back to 4 so that they can speak with City Attorney about your case. So go to 5 and then watch for me to move you again to 4. Charles Parker, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine.
Okay. I have the Anthony Powell file, please, when you have a moment. Mr. Parker, we're going to need a ticket number from you.
I don't have a ticket number on me.
Okay, why did you come to court today?
I have it. I was scheduled for court today. Am I in the wrong courtroom?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you for a ticket number. I do generally have last name Parker on my docket, so chances are good that you would be in the right courtroom, but I don't have you on my docket. So that's the confusion. I'm asking for a ticket number so I can look it up and figure out why you're here, what you're here for, and whether or not it's the right day.
I don't have the ticket number.
Well, you already played guilty. Judge Garrett, he owes $190.
Thank you. All right, calling ticket number P1369927 and P1753330, all of them City versus Anthony Powell. Mr. Powell, please state your name for the record.
My name is Anthony S. Powell, Powell.
Thank you. Both of the tickets that you're here for today are being dismissed on the proofs, meaning we verified that everything is now valid and there's a motion to dismiss on that basis, which I'm granting. You do have an old ticket that you had that where you owe $190 on that one. You pled guilty to that in the past with a different judge. So just so you know, you do have a balance there on one ticket, $190, okay?
I wanted to ask you a question. If I could go pay, well, you know, I'm on Medicaid now, so we got laid off from my job. Is there any kind of way that I probably could present, like, I know I can clear the ticket today with $150. Is there any way I can probably get it reduced and just pay it off today to get rid of it?
So because I'm not the judge that you pled with or who sentenced you, I cannot reduce it. And generally $190 is as low as those fines can go. So probably not, but you can get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. They'll put you on a payment plan and they'll just take a down payment from you.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna try to
They've
go
got
pay
a long-term payment plan.
Oh, it's a long term. Okay.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Powell.
Thank you. Is there any way I can get any papers to show that case was stowed out? Because I'm trying to get
come
a
in
job.
the mail. Something will come to you in the mail, or you can look up your case on the court's website in a couple of days and print it out from there. Okay?
Is there any way I can get it from downstairs when I pay that ticket?
Yep, they can do that for you there too.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you, and y'all have a blessed day.
You are welcome. Do the same. Thanks. Bye. Okay, on Charles Parker,
His middle name is William. He was scheduled for yesterday.
is your middle name William, Mr. Parker?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you were scheduled for yesterday.
Hmm?
We had you on our docket yesterday.
Wait,
Oh, hold on, Madam Clerk says something different. Hold on.
I had two court dates. One was on, I thought it was March 30th, no, March 31st and April 30th.
Attorney Johnson, would you mind going to room 26? That's an interpreter matter. I need to get the interpreter going. Their offer is to a 3-month delay there.
All right, thank you. And
Thank
I
you.
sent a message to Madam Clerk, but on Edward Thomas, I don't see him on my docket. I just need information.
Okay, thanks. We'll bring him out.
I'll try and find him. I'm gonna need, like, that's a common name. I need like a date of birth, or that's where I'm having an issue with. For Charles William Parker, he's scheduled for a review with Judge Robbins at 10 o'clock.
Oh, they put the wrong name on. You're supposed to be in front of Judge Robbins.
At street court with us, but that's not until April.
Okay, your April date is with me, but today you're supposed to be with Judge Robbins in room 440.
Okay, how
This
would
is
I
not
go
good.
by getting there?
All right, so room 440, Mr. Parker, that's what you need to get to now, okay?
Okay, how would I go by getting there?
Same way you got here. But just go through the court's website. It's Judge Robbins. So if you go onto the court's website, go to join a Zoom and it's Judge Robbins.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. All right, who do I have at the phone number ending in 2744?
Princess Turner.
What's the first name? I'm sorry, someone erased it.
Princess.
Princess?
T-R-E. Yes.
Okay, Mr. Turner. All right, this is an old case. They're requesting a bench trial. Same thing, though, it's old and it's of the type that we need to probably appoint counsel just in case. So, Mr. Turner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a date to come back. I'm going to assign an attorney to meet with you. The phone number that I have on the screen ending in 2744, is that a good phone number for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and do you have any email address that you check regularly?
Yes. Princess 108 at gmail.com.
Okay. Okay, you should check your email and your phone for an attorney to reach out to you before your next court date, which we're going to schedule for April the 14th at 9:15 a.m.
April 14th at 9.
Yep, 9:15.
Oh, 9:15.
Yep, hopefully you'll hear from the attorney before then. That's going to be your final pre-trial. Hopefully you'll hear from them before then, and then we'll get you scheduled for trial when you come on that date, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
Am I free to leave the room now?
Are free to leave now. Have a good day. Just don't forget to come back on April 14th at 9:15.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Under the same judge?
Same judge. Yep, you'll be talking to me. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You have a blessed one too.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson?
Great co-host ability, yeah.
Attorney Pernicano? Okay.
Attorney Johnson?
You should have co-host now, do you? Okay.
Yeah, for Edward Thomas, we need to know if he has, I have one Edward Thomas scheduled for pre-hearing at 10 a.m. today. And then there's an Edward Crankston Thomas that's scheduled for this courtroom April 8th.
All right, on Michelle Thompson, Attorney Tessa Mary was saying that she gave her the pretrial date for April 14th at 8:35 a.m. Michelle Thompson. I'm bringing Edward Thomas out. Maybe you can see what's going on there. We got Henrietta Pitts. We'll go ahead and get these officers out of here on the People's Matter. All right, Mr. Thomas, we're having some trouble finding you, so we need you out here so we can try to get some help. Give me just a minute.
Okay.
Sure.
Mr. Thomas, do you have a middle name?
No.
Okay. So the case I have you scheduled for. Oh, my sister. You're scheduled for a pre-hearing in courtroom 218 at 10 a.m.
Yep.
For no place and no proof of insurance. Does that sound familiar?
Yep.
You're in the wrong courtroom. You should be in courtroom 218.
Yeah, well, these papers I got, I don't know, it's just all confusing. All right, how do I go there?
How did you get to this? Did you go on the website?
Yes, and it's the one they
Okay.
gave me.
You'll have to go back on the website, go to traffic and look under for courtroom 218. And you can join by Zoom that way, because I can't remember the meeting ID number, sorry.
Well, could you make a note of it then that I did come to the wrong place then, please?
We'll
I'm
make
gonna
a
try to
note of
go.
that, but you're still plenty on time to get to 218. You're
I gotta
okay.
find it. I'm gonna go back online
I'm trying to
and
tell you how to do that. Okay.
okay.
So if you look at 36, if you look up 36 District Court on Google, it'll say virtual courtroom. Click on the virtual courtroom. And then go look at the list. Under the traffic list, which is the one at the bottom, you'll see 218 pre-hearing. It'll say join Zoom hearing. Just click on that and you will end up in that courtroom. And you are, I mean, it's not 10, but they're still there. They're still working. If you let them know you went to the wrong courtroom, you're fine.
All right, thank you. I'm gonna go now.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Well, they're getting something from somewhere.
Yeah, maybe they're telling you about the last name. You're just saying Ramsey-Heath and not looking it up.
Corporal Rule and Officer Daoud, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Peoples has not appeared. The attorney who was appointed to represent him has appeared and stated he's not been able to get in contact with him either. So KPS will issue as to Mr. Peoples. And you
Sounds good
guys
to
are
me.
free to. Thank you for your appearance today. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a great day.
All right. Have a good one. Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good one.
All right. Bye. You too. Attorney Johnson. Have we had Phillips check in? I haven't had a Phillips check in either.
I don't think so. It was a pretrial anyway.
So Investigator Hoskins can come on out. He's stuck. He's frozen. Now he's back in two. Investigator Hoskins, good morning again. Citizen did not appear.
Okay, thank you for letting me
All
know.
right, way to go. Thank you. All right, we're ready on Tommy Beast Hatchet. Thank you. Attorney Pernicano?
Yes, has the city attorney checked into the courtroom yet? She told me she would be in a few minutes via email. That was a few minutes ago, so I'm just waiting.
All right, thank you. Calling ticket number P1802459, City versus Tommy Lee Taylor Beast Hatchet Jr. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Tommy Taylor Beast Hatchet Jr.
Thank you. I understand you'll be pleading guilty to one count of the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license today. Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Please speak up. The court reporter is trying to take a record. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Are you driving a vehicle right now?
No. I'm in a passenger seat.
Okay, thank you. Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth. You swear to tell the truth, sir?
Yes, I swear to tell the truth.
Thank you. Please put your hand down. Is it true that on September 27th of 2025 in the area of Gratiot and Crane, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to do one of two things: get it paid in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things in the next 60 days, this deal remains in place. Please don't try to pay anything before tomorrow. We need a chance to update the system. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Bye-bye. Attorney Johnson, good morning again. Any update as to the interpreter case? I can't hear you. Yeah, he's having audio problems. Okay, to the interpreter, Attorney Johnson's having some audio issues. Do you know if you guys reached a resolution?
Uh, I don't know, Your Honor. He was able to talk to the
Your Honor.
gentleman.
Okay, there he is. Attorney Johnson?
Yes, I need an offer for my client. Is the officers here, I do believe?
On Patino?
Yes.
The officer was here. The offer is to a 3-month delay.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, it's in the room name as well. I'm gonna have to move everybody, so I'm gonna move them to, I'll move them to 28.
28.
Yeah, please join room 28.
Nos van a mover al 28, donde dice JOIN. Ahí tienes que picarle.
Offer is 3-month delay.
Y están ofreciendo un atraso de 3 meses.
Breakout room, please.
Okay.
Ok, vamos a ese cuarto 28.
Ok, me sale 26 nada más.
All right, Attorney Johnson, everybody should be headed to room 28, hopefully. And then all we have is the Attorney Pernicano's cases left. Attorney Tessamariam is finishing up with Henrietta Pitts, and then we have Patino. The interpreter hasn't joined though. Why? And to the interpreter, can you hear me? Oh, he's back out there. Okay. All right,
Your
I'll get
Honor,
you into. Yep, I'll get you in there.
thank you.
Go ahead and join. Attorney Pernicano, if I were you, I'd probably go to room 2 because if she's juggling courtrooms as she usually has to, she may be watching room 2 to see if you're there to meet with her.
Okay, I'll go in there now.
It looks like 24 got a new date. Okay, I don't know what to do because all we have left are these two. Oh, boy. All right, Attorney Tessa Miriam, thank you. Looks like you took care of all of yours.
Okay, well, have a good day.
Thank you. You too. All right, we've got Mr. Patino.
Señor Patino,
Sí.
All right, on Henrietta Pitts, Madam Clerk, that's a new date. We'll have to
aquí
speak
está
to.
la nueva fecha.
I'm sorry, one moment, to the interpreter. I don't need you to interpret this. It's a separate case.
I'm sorry.
On Henrietta Pitts, she gave her a pretrial date. So hopefully she still sends you the email, but it looks like she's renaming the things, and just make sure she's doing both. Okay. The Henrietta Pitts, just so we know, adjourn pretrial. Thank you. All right, are we ready on the Patino matter?
¿Estamos listos en el caso de Patino?
Sí.
Your Honor, there's a request by my client to continue with this trial.
Mi cliente está solicitando que continuemos con este caso hacia un juicio.
Okay.
Okay, just a moment while I get the city attorney back.
Momentito mientras recibo al fiscal.
Okay.
Okay.
If we could have a brief breakout room with the city attorney when she arrives.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Quiere tener una pequeña reunión con el fiscal una vez venga.
Okay.
I'll go ahead at this time and move you all up to room 5 since we're going to do the trial.
Nos van a mover al cuarto número 5 para programar el juicio.
Okay.
We should see the invitation to room 5 now.
Ahora tienes otra vez que unirte donde dice JOIN.
And then Attorney Johnson, you've got co-host there in room 5. Hopefully city attorney will come back here shortly. Officer Franco, I'm going to go ahead and get you back into breakout as well. I'm going to move.
Excuse me, ma'am. One question. Oh, actually, not a question. That male that's in Zoom, he wasn't the one that I was issuing a ticket to. It was his son. He must have came up in the SOS when I popped it up in the ticket and put him in instead and didn't see that.
Okay. Let me have this file. Okay, all right. Are you, then this would be the wrong individual named. You're moving to dismiss on that basis?
Yes, ma'am. I was not issuing him a ticket. It was his son. I accidentally put the wrong driver in the ticket.
All right, thank you. So at this time, Attorney Johnson, calling ticket number P1864062, City versus Jose Patino Vital. Attorney Johnson, your appearance, please.
Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf of my client, who's currently, I believe, in breakout rooms 5, Your Honor.
Thank you. I'm taking it you
I'll
have
waive
no
his
objection.
appearance at this time.
Thank you. I'm assuming you have no objection to the dismissal.
No objection, Your Honor. That was going to be our defense.
Okay, all right, good. Glad we got that cleared up easily and quickly. Thank you, Officer Franco, for that.
No problem. I'm sorry about that, guys.
Okay, all right, you guys, you have a great day, Officer Franco. And then Attorney Johnson, if you would just go in and let him know ticket has been dismissed for that reason.
All right, thank you.
Huh? Okay, Attorney Johnson, thank you for everything today. Looks like you're all done. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, Kim. Throwing things at you. All right. Can you mute us for a moment, please? Okay,
Hi there.
thank you. Okay, he's in room 2 waiting to talk to you. So I don't know if you got my message. There's confusion on the Danielle Petty's file.
Okay. Yep.
I was texting, so hopefully it's not. It makes sense.
Okay. I'll talk to Mr. Pernicano. About, because I think these are all his.
The 2017 is that didn't look like Officer Nelson from 2017. From when I looked at the
for the Z
yeah,
ticket.
let me take
No,
yeah,
it's not. It's not. No, Judge,
and I
it's
didn't.
not.
Okay, that's what I thought. And then I didn't have an officer appear. So that was the confusion because I think the reduction was on the 2017 case where no officer appeared.
Okay, and I'll talk to Mr. Pernicano about it and explain to him what's going on.
All right, thank you.
Yep, and Patino's going to trial on his loudspeaker.
Nope, the officer, upon viewing Mr. Patino, said that he was not the correct party, that he believes it should have been his son. He dismissed,
Okay.
he asked to dismiss on that basis.
Thank you. All right, okay, I'll go talk to Mr. Pernicano. Mr. Johnson, are you all set?
He's all done.
Yes.
All right, cool.
All right.
Waiting on Your Honor to release me.
Thank you, Attorney Johnson. Thank you for always being willing to jump in and help. I appreciate it. You know, I depend on you.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Okay, Your Honor. Miss Petty's ticket ending in 4813, improper plates as charged.
Okay.
On the OWI, Mr. Panarcano is going to make his motion for no officer. He's no longer with DPD. Only his partner, Officer Carrion, showed up, but I can't do anything with that. The data master, Sergeant Holman, he didn't appear either.
Okay.
And then Doshan Taylor, a full dismissal, no recollection by Sergeant Sterner and Officer Cox.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I heard it was a cave piece on Peoples because he had so much. So thank you.
Yeah.
All
yeah,
right.
That's done. All right. Thank you. We'll get these done. I got Miss Petty, so can I have that other file too? Thank you. I closed the breakout room, so everybody should be out here in just a moment. All right. Okay, Attorney Pernicano, we're back on the record on City versus Danielle Petty's ticket number P16304881. All three counts there, as well as the Z ticket Z806553. Clarity of the record. Ms. Petty's previously came out and we began to take plea on an operating while visibly impaired. Mr. Taylor, please mute your device. She began to take a plea on operating while visibly impaired. However, we realized there may have been some confusion about which officers showed up on which matters. And so we stopped the proceedings at that point. To the extent that any plea was entered as to operating while visibly impaired, I will certainly entertain a motion to withdraw that, although I don't believe we completed it. All right, counsel, your appearance, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Danielle Petty's. Ma'am, state your full name for the record, please.
Danielle Petty's.
Your Honor, as noted on the record, I would like to withdraw my client's guilty plea on the operating while visibly impaired based on what's been put on the record.
All right, motion to withdraw is granted given the confusion about the officer's appearance. Do you have any other motion as to that ticket?
Your Honor, that officer has failed to appear. We would motion for dismissal at this time.
All right, Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Officer Limerand, there was an attempt at subpoena. He is no longer with DPT. He is the complaining officer. His partner, Officer Carrion, did show up, but he had no ability to testify as to the facts of the case.
All right, thank you. All right, any objection to this being a dismissal with prejudice, given that explanation?
No objection, Your Honor. Thank you.
We'd ask for that.
All right, thank you. Dismissal is granted as to the Z ticket with prejudice due to the officer's non-appearance and what would be a future non-appearance because he's no longer with the force. Now, as to the other three matters with Officer Nelson, who did appear, I have a no insurance, driving while license not valid, and an improper plate.
Your Honor, based on the plea negotiation, my client's going to tender a guilty plea to the improper plate with the other two matters to be dismissed.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Petty's, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else? Get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
The counsel advised you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
You understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth?
Swear everything I'm going to tell the court the truth.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on October 7th of 2024, in the area of Hubble and Eaton in the city of Detroit, you operated a vehicle without proper plates on it?
Yes.
Thank you. Your plea is accepted. Counsel, you satisfied with the factual basis?
Satisfied.
Fine is $190, Ms. Ketty. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, you can get it paid in full or see the cashiers down on the first floor and give them a down payment on a payment plan. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal remains in place. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a great day. Thank you. And lastly, Doshawn Taylor, I have ticket number P1777563, City versus Doshawn Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your name for the record, please.
Doshawn Taylor.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appeared for bench trial today. The officers did check in with the city attorney. It's my understanding that they had no recollection and could not proceed with the matter. Based on that, we would motion for dismissal of all matters at this time.
Thank you. Ms. Horn?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. That's correct. Officer Cox and Sergeant Sterner both checked in with me and advised that they had no recollection of these incidents. So therefore, the people are moving for dismissal.
Thank you. Dismissal is granted. Dismissal is with prejudice, given the explanation of the officer's inability to recall.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
All right.
Okay, you too,
Apologize
Judge.
for being late, Your Honor. I'll make sure that I am on time in the future.
Okay, I appreciate that. Or just let us know so we're not dismissing stuff.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. Have a great day, everybody.
Okay, thank you.